In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize images on Wix. Resizing images is one of the quickest ways to improve the look and balance of your page. It helps your content breathe, draws attention to the right places, and keeps your design consistent across different sections. Once you're in the Wix website editor and you can see your page, start by clicking directly on the image you want to adjust. You'll know it's selected when a frame appears around it, and small points show up along the edges and at the corners. That outline means you're ready to make changes. Those points on the edges are your resize handles. The corner handles are the most useful for keeping your image looking natural. When you drag a corner, the image scales up or down while maintaining its original proportions, so it won't look squished or stretched. The side handles, on the other hand, adjust only the width or the height. That can be helpful for specific designs, but it may distort the image, so use those with care. Now, click and hold one of the handles, then drag to resize the image. Drag inward to make it smaller, or outward to make it larger. As you move the handle, you'll see the image update in real time. Watch for the smart guides that appear around your design. These subtle lines help you align the image with headers, text boxes, and other elements so everything stays neat and visually consistent. When it looks right, simply release the mouse. If you change your mind about the size, don't worry. You can click and drag again to fine-tune the dimensions until they feel just right. And if you go too far, use the undo command to step back to your previous size. A good rule of thumb is to keep images large enough to be clear and impactful, but not so large that they overpower nearby text or push important content too far down the page. For the cleanest results, try to use corner handles to preserve the aspect ratio and avoid enlarging very small images too much, which can cause visible blur or pixelation. Leave comfortable space around the image so your layout feels balanced, and keep an eye on alignment to maintain a professional look. And there you go. Click to select the image, use the points on the edges to resize with a simple click and drag, and you're done. That's all.